Now, when you are applying to universities, there is a mechanism which is called as holistic admission. Now, let's understand what does holistic admission mean. When we talk about admissions mainly through SAT scores, then this is just one of the criteria, but indeed one of the most important criteria that you must take into account. Broadly, there are four different aspects under which this holistic admission is done. One is the academic achievement. Now, this academic achievement would include definitely the SAT score or the ACT score, the language qualifying, which is the TOEFL, IELTS. So, those would be the basic. Then there would be the school grades or the school transcripts that are really important. And finally, sometimes they also ask for the class rank. The next is an important aspect, which is the family or the environment, right? So under family or environment, what are the things that are taken into account? The socioeconomic status of the family, then the school profile, the profile under which the school, under which the child takes the school, right? So that's again an important aspect for application. The next is the personal qualities. Under personal qualities, what are required is the statement of the personal statement, that is the statement of purpose, the letter of recommendation, the LOR as it is said, then the list of extracurricular activities. So whatever extracurricular activities fall in the ambit would be covered here. The next important aspect is an interview. Now, interview is aimed to understand the personal qualities. Coming on next, the curricular aspect, right? So academic, environment, personal are done. Now of these, definitely academic has the most important weightage, and then we have the curricular. Now under curricular, there could be advanced courses that you might have taken. These include advanced placements. So there are courses under 38 different subjects. So on an average, if you have taken 3 to 7 courses, that is a usual average, you can skip at least one semester. That is again important because these are introductory courses for the first level undergraduate program. So if you have taken any kind of AP courses, any kind of course platforms through which you have covered some enhanced learning aspects, and then peer achievement is again a very important aspect. So this all gets included under the criteria of holistic admissions. So this was about an introduction. We'll be covering more classes related to holistic admissions, SAT, PSAT. We would also talk about NMSQT, which is the National Merit Scholarship. So stay tuned. Please subscribe. Thanks for joining in.